All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Cruze. It is this beautiful premier model. This red with black interior alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated steering wheel, heated seats, leather seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the bodies. Go real quick. Front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Seems to have a little chippy here actually. Front fender has another little chip right there. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on this rim unless you get your tire thread, which is at 9:30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door does have a dent here. PDR work about less than an inch. And rear quarter looks pretty good. It does have a dent here with some paint off less than an inch. Rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread, 7:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. We jump in here. Turn it on for you guys. Push start system, as you can see. Boom. You got your, does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual still wrapped up. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it, all that good stuff right there. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Your heated seats. Bow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side with your heated steering. You got your instrument cluster here and what that looks like. No lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 28,584. Pretty much completes the tour. Right, bit it moving. Open up the trunk. Here is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is spare tire here with some tools, and then there's your owner's manual. It looks all crazy in here. There you go. There's your owner's manuals tucked away back here. This quarter does have a dent from here coming around to down here. I'll say 10 or more with some paint off. All right, so just engulfing. I know it's hard to see, but it's all this right there to there. All right, here's your rear driver's rim. Does have some curbing here, about 3. Some more over here. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Your tire thread is at 10:30 seconds here. This door has a dent. So you can see there's one here, about 4 inches, some paint off, and one here, 10 or more inches with some paint off. All right, can you see that one? Boom. And this one here. This one here, very small. It is there. Got paint off right there. All right, guys? That's about it. Here is your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, and rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good with no holes, no tears, and rips, and this is all leathered up. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Is this curbing? Is this dirt? Yep, that's curbing. 10 or more just to engulf it. Tire thread here is at 8:30 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Chevy Cruze, the premier package with 28,000 miles. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.